We got perfect product. Look how clean that apple is. Now that's the apple I'll put in my mouth. Yo, wait, that sounded kind of crazy. All right, let's talk about these apples. You ever look at that shiny wax coating and think, what kind of factory glaze did they put on this? Yeah, that definitely ain't natural. But don't worry, I got you. Today we're giving these apples a detox because if I'm drinking fresh juice, I want it fresh, not chemically preserved fresh. All right, so here's the move. Grab a lemon, cut it in half, and then you're gonna dip it straight into some baking soda. Yeah, we turn this lemon into a natural scrub brush. Now you're gonna take that lemon and start rubbing all over your apples like you're giving it a deep tissue massage. Now what this combo is gonna do is gonna help break down the pesticides, the wax, and who knows what else they sprayed on here. Now you can let it chill in sugar water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yep, and then that's right, we're going into another scrubbing. So when I say clean, I mean clean. Now I need somebody to come take a look at this water. Now that was on your apples. That was you about to consume. Yeah, I know, crazy. And I don't know about you, but me personally, I could do without all that extra seasoning. Now look how clean this water is. After going in for that last massage, and then now you got perfect product. Look how clean that apple is. Now that's the apple I'll put in my mouth. Yo, wait, that sounded kind of crazy.